Perek Beis, Mishnah Yud. Ein goizrin tanis ala tzibur b'rosh chodesh b'Chanukah u'Purim. The Chachomim did not make a decree of a fast, a communal fast, on Rosh Chodesh, Chanukah and Purim. Although these are not full Yom Tovim, nevertheless fasts are not decreed for those days. However, v'im hischilu, if they started a series of fasts, and one of the days then falls on Rosh Chodesh, Chanukah or Purim, ein mafsikin, we do not stop, and the fast continues on those days. Divrei Rabban Gamliel, the words of Rabban Gamliel. Explains the Bartanura, in this series of fasts, if just one day, the first day of this series, had been prior to Rosh Chodesh, and then the series falls on Rosh Chodesh, Chanukah or Purim, then the fast would not be stopped, but there would actually be a fast on those days. Omer Rab Meir says, Af al pi, even though she'omer Rabban Gamliel ein mafsikin, although Rabban Gamliel says that we do not stop, interrupt the fast, if we already are in the middle of a series of fasts, Moida Hoya, he would agree, she'ein mashlimin, we do not conclude that fast and actually fast till the end of the day, till night. But, says the Bartanura, oichel ba'erev somech lishkiyas hachama, towards the end of the day, towards shkiyas hachama, sunset, prior to that, one would already stop fasting. The Mishnah concludes, V'chein Tisha B'Av, similarly on Tisha B'Av, shechal liyos be'erev Shabbos. If Tisha B'Av fell on a Shabbat, on an Erev Shabbos, on a Friday, again, one would not conclude that fast, but one would finish the fast slightly early because of the kavod of Shabbos. The Bartanura says this could only happen on the times that the Bezdin were kovim al pi horiyah, which means where Bezdin fixed the Rosh Chodesh according to sighting of the new moon. On that occasion, then it's possible that Tisha B'Av could be on a Friday. However, nowadays that we have the fixed calendar introduced by Hillel II in the year 359 of the Common Era, since then, if one looks at the calendar, one sees that Tisha B'Av can never fall actually on a Friday. However, in those days prior to the fixing of the calendar, if Tisha B'Av were to fall on a Friday, says the Mishnah, one would not actually conclude that fast but finish slightly early. The Bartanura concludes, however, ein halacha k'Rab Meir, the halacha is not like Rabbi Meir, but as we learned earlier, misanin umashlimin, which means one would fast if the series of fasts were to fall on Rosh Chodesh, Chanukah and Purim. One would not interrupt, but one would actually fast and fast the full day. V'chein, similarly, says the Bartanura, we do not hold like Rab Meir, but if Tisha B'Av were to fall on a Friday, in those days where it was possible, misane mashlim, the community would fast, and they would conclude that fast till the end of the day. As we said, that can't happen today. However, even according to our calendar, Asora B'Teves, the 10th of Teves, the communal fast, could fall on a Friday. If it were to fall on a Friday, then the fast would actually continue until the end of the day, until night. That concludes the Mishnah and the second Perek.